In this video, I'm going to share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, this will be specific service from my services that I was promoting on Pinterest to get like this commission. As you can see over here, I made $245 in commission just promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And in today's video I'm going to share with you specific service that I was promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So you just need to copy my method. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for people who are new to Fiverr affiliates and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do is you need to go to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so you can check this website and you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. So if you scroll down, for example, click on commission, see commission, they are paying good commission. It's up to $150. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to click over here on join now, and as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliates is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Okay, then you will answer few questions, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and follow next steps. Easy and simple, and that's it. It's easy. As you can see, anyone can sign up. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page like this. So now I'm gonna share with you specific service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for Etsy. Okay, search for Etsy promotion. Okay, search for Etsy promotion. Why we choose this service? Because people who has Etsy shop, they are promoting their products on Pinterest. Okay, they are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy products. So they will be interested if they see our service about Etsy promotion. They will be interested to use this service to promote their products and get more sales. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. So make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has good reviews. And so if people click on your affiliate link, they find this seller is good seller, they will buy this service and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let's choose, I will do Shopify e-commerce marketing Etsy shop promotion. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's choose this one. This one is doing Shopify e-commerce marketing Etsy shop promotion. He's doing a lot of services and that's really good. So I'm gonna choose this one. He's level 2 seller. I will click on his service. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see like that. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to copy his profile link. So copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, like this. Okay, Then click over here like this and put your this profile seller page over here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here and you need to go now to Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by user, email address, choose business account, not personal account. You need to open Pinterest business account. Okay, it's easy and simple. You just need to sign up by user and email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. So what you need to do is you need to click over here on home feed. You can see over here create, click on create pin like this. You will be directly in this page over here, okay, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to this seller page on Fiverr, okay, and scroll down and click over here on his picture because we need his picture. This is his picture about his service. Double click, save this picture to your laptop, okay. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna name it Etsy, for example. Save. Go back, then go back to Pinterest, click over here, okay, like this. Then click on your picture, okay, that you download from Fiverr. This is my picture. Open. Here you go. What you need to do now, scroll down, you can see over here link, okay, put your affiliate link here like this. This is my affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to put title, description. Let's go back to this profile page on Fiverr. I will copy his title like this. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this title over here, okay. Description, let's go back to his profile page. You can use his information because you are just an affiliate, okay. This is his description. So I have, okay, I will copy just this part to show you guys. Let's copy just this part. You can copy the whole description if you want. So I'm just showing you how you can do it. This is description. Scroll down. You need to choose a board, okay. So you can click over here and click on create a board, okay. It's easy. You just need to click on create board and give it a name, and it will be like this. So for me, for example, I already named my board Fiverr affiliates, okay. I have two top services and I have this one, Fiverr affiliate. So I will choose, for example, this one, Fiverr affiliate, okay. Then you need to put here tags, okay. So how we can find tags? Let's go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down. You can see those are his tags, okay. So let me scroll down. We should find tags that are related to this service, okay. Okay, as you can see, related tags, those are the tags, okay. I'm gonna copy this one, for example, Etsy shop promotion. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this hashtag here, this tag here, okay. I will go back, then I will copy this one, e-commerce marketing, go back to Pinterest, put this one here, and that's how you can put tags, okay. It's easy, okay. Then what you will do is you need, as you can see, this is the picture about our affiliate service. This is the title, description, my affiliate link here, this is the board, and this is my tags. Click on publish, okay, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. As you can see, it's published. Let's see. Here you go. As you can see, go Fiverr. This is my affiliate link over here. Okay, this is the picture, this is my title, description, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. Use this service about Etsy promotion because a lot of people who are new to Etsy are using Pinterest to increase their sales, get more sales, and make more money. So you will be interested to use this service to boost their sales on Etsy. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.